Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect Lucid Trading to TradingView step by step. So once you are connected, you can view your balance, positions, and place trades directly from your TradingView chart. And before you start, make sure you have an active paid TradingView plan and live CME market data. So these are needed for broker connections and real-time futures trading. You can check your TradingView settings or open a futures chart to make sure the prices are updating live and they are not delayed. Next, open any chart in TradingView and click the trading panel at the top of the screen. And from the list of brokers, choose the provider assigned to you by Lucid Trading, such as Tradovate or Rhythmic. And make sure you select the correct broker because your login details are connected to that provider. After signing in with your Lucid Trading credentials, choose the correct account from the drop-down menu and make sure if it's the right one if you have multiple. Then turn on allow live trading for a live account to see your balance and positions in TradingView, or leave it off for paper trading. And that is how you connect Lucid Trading to TradingView. Just check your plan and market data, connect the correct broker, choose the right account, and enable live trading when needed. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.